Imagine this: solar panels on your roof, soaking up the sun's energy, and you're saving money on your electricity bill. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. With zero-cost solar installation programs, going solar can be easier and more affordable than ever before. These programs are making waves across the globe, allowing homeowners to harness the power of the sun without breaking the bank. That's right. You can say goodbye to hefty upfront costs and hello to clean, renewable energy. But how does it work, you ask? Fear not, my friend, for we're about to dive deep into the world of zero-cost solar and shed some light on this exciting opportunity. Get ready to discover how you can join the solar revolution and start saving money while saving the planet. Okay, let's be upfront. Zero cost doesn't mean completely free. There are still some expenses to consider. There are still costs involved, but here's the game changer. You don't have to pay for the solar panels up front. This can be a huge relief for many homeowners. Instead, companies specializing in solar energy will install the panels on your roof at little to no cost. This means you can start saving on your energy bills almost immediately. They handle the installation, maintenance, and even insurance. Talk about a sweet deal. You won't have to worry about the upkeep. But how do these companies make money? It's a fair question, and one that deserves a clear answer. That's where financing options like power purchase agreements, PPAs, and solar leases come in. These agreements are designed to be mutually beneficial. These agreements allow you to use the solar energy generated by the panels, while the company retains ownership. This setup can be advantageous for both parties. Don't worry, we'll break down these financing options in more detail later on. Understanding them will help you make an informed decision. The important thing to remember is that zero-cost solar programs remove the financial barrier to entry, making solar energy accessible to a wider range of homeowners. This can be a game changer for many families. Let's unravel the mystery behind PPAs and solar leases, two popular options for going solar without the hefty upfront costs. Think of them as renting your solar panels instead of buying them outright, making solar energy more accessible to everyone. With a PPA, or power purchase agreement, you agree to buy the electricity generated by the solar panels from the company that owns them, rather than owning the panels yourself. You'll typically pay a fixed rate per kilowatt hour, which is often lower than what you'd pay your utility company, leading to significant savings over time. This means instant savings on your electricity bill, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of solar energy immediately. A solar lease is similar, but instead of buying the electricity, you lease the solar panel system for a fixed monthly payment, which can be more predictable. Like PPAs, lease payments are often lower than your average utility bill, putting money back in your pocket and reducing your monthly expenses. Both options offer the benefits of solar energy without the upfront investment, making it easier for more people to go green. Plus, the solar company handles all the maintenance and repairs, giving you peace of mind and ensuring your system runs efficiently for years to come. Ready to embark on your solar journey? The process is surprisingly simple. First, contact a reputable solar installer that offers zero-cost programs. They'll assess your home's suitability for solar, considering factors like roof size, orientation, and sun exposure. Next comes the financing part. The installer will guide you through the different PPA or lease options, helping you choose the best fit for your budget and energy needs. Once the paperwork is complete, the installation process begins. A team of skilled technicians will install the solar panels on your roof, ensuring they're properly connected and functioning optimally. And voila! You're now officially part of the solar revolution, generating clean energy and saving money in the process. Section 5. Savings and sunshine. Reaping the rewards. Now for the best part, enjoying the numerous benefits of your new solar panel system. First and foremost, you'll see a significant reduction in your monthly electricity bills. By generating your own clean energy, You'll be less reliant on the grid and its fluctuating prices. But the benefits extend far beyond financial savings. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that reduces your carbon footprint and dependence on fossil fuels. By going solar, you're actively contributing to a healthier planet for generations to come. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your home is powered by the sun, a free and abundant energy source. That's the power of solar. Section 6. Maintaining your solar investment. Like any valuable asset, your solar panel system requires a little TLC to ensure optimal performance for years to come. But don't worry, maintenance is usually a breeze. Most solar panels come with a 25-year warranty, and reputable installers offer comprehensive maintenance plans. These plans typically include regular inspections, cleaning, and repairs, ensuring your system operates at peak efficiency. Regular cleaning is crucial to remove any dirt, debris, or bird droppings that can obstruct sunlight and reduce energy production. Your installer can advise you on the best cleaning methods or provide professional cleaning services. Remember, a well-maintained solar panel system will provide you with clean, affordable energy for decades, maximizing your return on investment. Section 7. Not so fast. Potential drawbacks to consider. While zero-cost solar programs offer a fantastic opportunity to go green, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks and considerations before taking the plunge. One limitation is location. Solar panels require ample sunlight to generate electricity, so homes in shady areas or regions with limited sunshine hours may not be ideal candidates. Creditworthiness can also play a role. Some financing options, like PPAs and leases, require a credit check. If you have a low credit score, you may face higher interest rates or be ineligible for certain programs. Another factor to consider is the length of the agreement. PPAs and leases typically span 10 to 25 years. Make sure you're comfortable with the terms and conditions before signing on the dotted line. Section 8. Solar Success Stories. Real people, real savings. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the stories of real people who have transformed their lives with solar energy. Let's hear from real homeowners who are reaping the benefits of zero-cost solar programs. Their experiences speak volumes about the impact of solar energy. Meet Sarah, a single mother of 2, who was struggling to keep up with rising energy costs. She found herself constantly worried about her monthly bills. After installing solar panels through a PPA, her monthly electricity bills have plummeted, giving her much-needed financial breathing room. Now, she can focus on her family without the stress of high energy costs. Then there's John, a retiree on a fixed income who was hesitant to invest in solar due to the upfront costs. He worried about the financial burden it might place on him. A solar lease allowed him to go solar without dipping into his savings, and he now enjoys significantly lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. John is now a proud advocate for solar energy. These are just a few examples of how zero-cost solar programs are making a real difference in people's lives. The positive impact is both financial and environmental. From reduced expenses to environmental consciousness, the benefits are undeniable. Join the movement and see how solar energy can transform your life too. Section 9. Making the right choice. Read the fine print. Before you sign any agreement, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the terms and conditions. Pay close attention to the length of the contract, the payment terms for PPAs or leases, and the responsibilities of both parties regarding maintenance and repairs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification on any points that seem unclear. A reputable solar installer will be transparent and happy to address your concerns. Remember, knowledge is power. By being informed and understanding the fine print, you can make an educated decision that aligns with your financial goals and energy needs. Section 10, Embrace the Sun, a bright future awaits. As we strive for a more sustainable future, zero-cost solar programs offer a beacon of hope, empowering homeowners to harness the power of the sun without breaking the bank. With attractive financing options, reduced energy bills, and a smaller carbon footprint, the benefits of going solar are undeniable. While there are potential drawbacks to consider, careful planning and a thorough understanding of the agreements can mitigate these risks. So, take the first step towards a brighter future. Explore zero-cost solar programs in your area and discover how you can join the solar revolution, saving money and the planet one sunbeam at a time.